Hello guys, welcome back. In the next video, here is where we left off, and this is what we have on our simulator. Okay. Uh, Now today we're going to talk about two widgets, two very important widgets, and the two widgets are going to be the column widget and the row. Let's suppose we want to have this text multiple times. So we want to have hello world here, hello world here, hello world here, and so on. How can we do that? Okay, to do that, we use a specific widget called the column widget. Okay, so let me delete these. Oh no, I will replace the text widget with a column. You can have multiple or n widgets inside of a specific widget. There is no limitation number. You can have a container inside of a container inside of a container, and so on. Okay, here for the column we're going to give column, right? And inside of a column we are going to write children. Notice the difference. Here we have the container, and inside of this widget, the container widget, we are providing another widget, a single widget, the column. That's why we're giving child. But for the column, well, we are going to have multiple widgets. We want to have a text under a text which is under another text. So we have three text widgets. So to make that possible, you don't write child, you write children. Children widgets. Okay. Uh, Children, and these square brackets represent list, means that you're going to give a list of widgets. That's why I have widgets here. This is just the type of the content of the lists you're providing, right? Okay, let me copy. Okay, let me write it. Text hello one. Let's try to run and see what's going to happen. You have here hello one. You have it all the way up here because we're using a container and not a center widget, right? To make our lives easy, we can just come here and change this to center. And for the center widget, you don't have this. Okay, we'll use the center widget for now. It's going to work perfectly for us. Just run the app again. Here we have hello one. Let me try to drag it over here. I'm having a hard time here. Okay, it's good enough. It's just wasting my time. So you will be able to see here the transformation. I don't have to minimize. If you want to give another widget, another text widget below this, you have to separate both of them using a comma. Then we're going to give text, and we're going to write here hello 2. And if you run it, you have it here, hello 2. And if you want to give another one, you just give here text, then hello, oops, hello 3. here you have it. Okay, so let's suppose we want to use a row. We can just come here and change column for row. Simple. And let's see what happens when you run it. Wow, and now you have a problem. And now you may be wondering what's happening. This is simple. The widgets, we have hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. They are wider than the screen. I don't know if I make any sense, but to make this easy, I can just come here and comment this. And let's run it again. You see? Oh, to make this, okay, let me try to uncomment here and see if it's going to fit the width of the screen. And it doesn't. Okay, let me erase here. I will write 1 over here and 2 over there. Let's run it. Then you have a column 1, 2, right? Simple. Okay guys, so for column and row it's all for now. Of course we have a lot of things we can do with those widgets, rows and columns, but I don't want to make this a specific Flutter course or a course on widgets, because our goal is to build the e-commerce site. I'm just providing the basic knowledge so that we can go and start building our e-commerce application with no problem. But if you think my pace is being way too fast and you're not able to understand, just let me know and I can slow down a little bit. Thank you for your time. See you on the next one.